NCNA stock analysis and NCNA stock prediction. So what I'm doing here is just breaking down my exact play for Friday, especially 13th of June and onwards. Very exciting times, I think, ahead. And I myself, having done 42,000 videos whilst been documenting everything for 5 years, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, so I'm here to make money. That's the responsibility and the goal when you enter into trades, right? Well, yeah, sure. Now, if there is no sort of confirmation, this is kind of going to be the biggest kicker for tomorrow. You can see correction. Post-market's even a bit lower. And I'm fine with that. But if there is no sort of double break confirmation taking place, I'm not buying. And I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, which shouldn't really be overcomplicating. But yeah, that's how NCNA is looking like. I do have previous receipts with NCNA, like 12 results pop up in the Discord, so there's really no lack of coverage on this. And if you want to stay tuned with NCNA, want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.